Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect the disk drive to your PS5 Pro. This has to be bought separately. I'll link one below if you don't have one. Now it is for reference, so this is the top of the PS5 with the PS logo. You want the bottom part facing up. If you have the stand attached, go remove it. You're going to focus on this cover right here. Go and lift it up towards you. Start here. Pull it up towards you. You heard it started coming up. Now I'm just going to put it back so you can see a different angle. You can do it from either angle. This way may be easier. Spring up here. It'll come off pretty easily. Now next for the disk drive and then the stand. Now for the disk drive. There's the two legs here. Those line up with right here. There's also this connector, which goes right here. Go and line them up. When it's in place, just push down. You'll hear it snap in. Go and grab the cover. This is the front and notice the two pieces at the back. Go line up with the holes. It should fall in now, you're just going to push it down. Start in this corner, make your way to the right. Yep, just snapped in. Now, very important, if it's horizontal, you don't want to use a stand strip with the PS5 Pro. This does not touch the ground. Instead, your PS5 disk drive came with its own stand. Or in my case, the PS5 Slim came with a stand. Then it's going connected right here. You're now good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.